In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Asana the right way. Adding clear, clickable links in Asana helps your team move faster, avoid confusion, and find the right information exactly when they need it. Here's how to do it smoothly from start to finish. First, open the Asana area where you want the link to live. That might be a specific task you're working on, a board view where the task sits, or the project space that holds related work. Navigate to the exact task or project you want to update so the link appears in the most helpful context for your teammates. Next, click into the place where the link should go. If you want the link to be part of the ongoing conversation, use the comment box. If it's foundational information that people will reference repeatedly, place it in the task description. Some teams also keep reference links in a dedicated field if one has been set up for URLs. Choose the spot that best matches how your team will use the link later. Now add the link itself. You can paste the URL directly and it will become clickable. Or for a cleaner look, type a short phrase, highlight it, and use the link button to attach the URL. Formatting the link text keeps the task tidy and makes the destination obvious. If you prefer shortcuts, paste the URL first, then select the text and apply the link format using the toolbar. Either way, double check that there are no extra spaces at the start or end of the URL. Right after you add the link, include a short note explaining what it is and why it's there. A simple label like design brief, meeting recording, or latest analytics dashboard is enough. Add context such as the date, version, or what action you expect, so people know exactly how to use it. Keep it clear and neutral, and avoid including any sensitive information. When you're happy with the wording, save your work. If you're editing the task description, Asana usually autosaves, but give it a moment to confirm. If you're posting in the comment box, click comment to publish. Keyboard fans can use a quick submit shortcut if enabled. Finally, test the link. Click it to open in a new tab and confirm it goes to the correct page. If it prompts for access or lands on the wrong resource, return to the task, fix the URL, or update your note for clarity and save again. That's it. With the right placement, a clear label, and a quick test, your Asana links will be reliable, readable, and genuinely useful for your team.